of you. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay. Now we are moving with our
Ma'am,
problems
is in the
based
waiting
on.
room.
I admitted. We are moving with the problems based on probability. Okay. And last day I have given a formula for probability. What was it?
Ma'am, there's one more point you should give. Ma'am, last class you told you will give one more point.
Okay. That
Equally
equally likely outcomes. Okay. Thank you. I will explain what are equally likely outcomes. That also we have to explain. Okay. Equally likely outcome means, we know that probability of getting head while tossing a coin is 1/2. That we have explained yesterday, last day, isn't it?
Yes.
And probability of getting tail also equal to 1/2. And probability of getting 1 while throwing a die is 1/6. Probability of 2 also 1/6. Probability of 3, probability of 4. Probability of 5 also equal to 1/6. Probability of 6 also equal to 1/6. These head and tail are called equally likely outcomes, which means getting these two events are having the same probability. And probability of getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Probability of getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is 1/6. So for all these events, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the probability is equal. If probabilities of some events are equal, those events are known as equally likely. Equally likely events. Only one year. Equally likely events. Suppose I'm choosing a person from standard 8C. Okay, I'm going to choose. I put all I write your names on a piece of paper and put in a box, and from there I'm choosing a person. Okay, so getting chosen. Anna, Binu, Ashwin, Naswin, Faisan, Aisha, all are having the same chance, isn't it? All of the students having the same chance. So all these events are equally likely events. Okay, and is it clear all of you what is equally likely? If two events having the same probability, same chance for getting selected, such events are known as equally likely events. So write its heading definition. Outcomes of an experiment. Outcomes of next point. Outcomes of an experiment outcomes of an experiment are equally like outcomes of an experiment are outcomes of an experiment are equally likely underline that word equally likely if each has the same chance of occurring, the same chance of occurring, has same chance of occurring. Same chance of occurring. Okay. Now we are going to write a formula for probability of an event. So write probability of an event equal to probability of an event equal to number of outcomes. Did we write this last day formula?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, we wrote.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Okay.
we didn't write in the book. First, you just showed us.
Which one?
Ma'am, the formula like before, like when you're explaining, you showed us.
Okay.
You
So
didn't
right.
write it.
Okay, right. Number of outcomes. Number of outcomes favorable to the event, favorable to the event, divided by total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes. Number of outcomes favorable to the event divided by total number of outcomes. Let us go on.
Ma'am, total number of
Total number of outcomes. Okay. Now we are going to do problems based on probability. First of all, write the outcomes of first one, tossing a coin. Tossing a coin. What are the outcomes of tossing a coin? You can put in a square bracket. But which are they? Which are they? When tossing a coin, what are the outcomes? Results are head or tail. So we will write head, tail. Afterwards, we will write H comma T. This is enough. Once you write head or tail, after that H comma T. H comma T. So what is it when we tossing two coins? All of you try. What will happen when we toss two coins together? What are the possible outcomes? When we toss two coins simultaneously, what are the possible outcomes?
Ma'am, head and head.
Head and head. Chance.
Tail
Chances
and
are
tail.
therefore both are heads.
Both
Then
are tail.
both are tail.
And then one is head and one is tail.
One is first one head, other one tail, or
and vice versa.
Vice versa. Other one tail, first one tail, other one is head, or first one head, other one is tail. So the possible outcomes we can write HH, TT, TH, or HT. There are 4 outcomes when we toss two coins simultaneously. Tossing of two coins, HH, TT, TH, and HT. Now, third one, throwing a die. Throwing a die, outcomes are
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So when we toss, throwing two dice. Throwing two dice. What will be the outcomes? Die plural, its singular form, its plural form is dice. D-I-C-E, dice. Throwing two dice. What will be the possible outcomes? Chances. Think. Two dice are. First one can be can be? What are the possible outcomes? 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 stands for 1, 1. Okay. Or
2.
Or 1, 2.
1, 2. It also can happen. 1, 2 or
3, 2.
3, 2 or
Or
It can be 2, 3, like first one,
2,
2.
3 or 1, 3 also is possible, no? 1, 4. There's a possibility for 1, 4. There's a possibility for 1, 5. Possibility for 1, 6. Is there a possibility for 1, 7?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. Then 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6 or 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6 or 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6 and 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6. These are the possible outcomes when we throw 2 dice, one after the other or simultaneously. When we throw 2 dice simultaneously, these are the possible outcomes. Okay, so how many outcomes are there when we toss 2 coins simultaneously? How many possible outcomes?
4.
Huh?
4.
How many possible outcomes are there when we throw 2 dice
Or
simultaneously?
dice. Ma'am, I thought it was
Dice,
coins.
not die, not coin, dice. When we throw 2 dice simultaneously, what are the number of possible outcomes?
36.
Ma'am, 36.
36, because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 into 6, 36 outcomes. So you write there are 36 possible outcomes. When we throw 2 dice simultaneously. When we throw 2 dice simultaneously. So when we toss 2 coins simultaneously, what is the number of possible outcomes? When we toss 2 coins simultaneously, what is the number of possible outcomes?
4.
4. Only 4. TT, HH, HT and TH. Okay. Now, next question. Is this over all of you? This one tossing 2
No,
dice?
ma'am.
All of you?
No, ma'am.
Okay. No?
No, ma'am.
Okay, right. Tossing 2 dice. 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. If any question comes based on tossing 2 coins, it is better you in your working column write this 36 outcomes then you can count the number of whatever the question comes. Okay. Otherwise, if you are thinking to make you mistakes, better you this within 1 minute you can write now. 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. Then rest you can write within 1 minute. Then you can collect whatever problems from that list. You can take the answers. That is better. Otherwise, it will make. Afridi, is it over? I think yes. Okay. Next question. Now find the probability of. Find the probability of. Many are facing network issue because of this heavy rain. Find the probability of. Find the probability of. First question. Probability of getting ahead. You can write probability of P of P bracket, it is P of. Instead of P of, we can write P of. This bracket shows P of. Okay. Probability of getting ahead. Probability of getting ahead. While tossing a coin. Tossing a coin. Write the answer. Probability of getting a tail while tossing a coin. What are the probabilities?
And 1 by
1
By
by
2
2.
and 1 by 2. Gogul Krishna, what are the probability while tossing a coin? Gogul?
1 by 2.
1 by 2. Shahan, what is the probability of tossing, getting a head while tossing a coin? Shahan? 1 by 2. Okay. 1 by 2. So next question. Second question. If 2 dice are tossed, if 2 dice are tossed together simultaneously, if 2 dice are tossed simultaneously, first question, what is the probability of getting 2 heads? Probability of getting 2 heads. Shreya, probability of
I'm getting 2 heads in
2
dice.
heads.
It's dice, right?
2 heads.
If it's 2 dice, then
No, 2, sorry, not dice, sorry. It's coin. 2 coins, sorry. 2 coins are tossed simultaneously, getting 2 heads. Getting 2 heads. Shreya, Shreya. Okay, we will here we will use the formula. That formula we have already studied. Probability of an event equal to number of outcomes. We will write the formula. Okay, probability of an event equal to number of favorable outcomes.
Ma'am, is the answer 1 by 4?
Yeah, yes. Divided by total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes. This is the formula. Isn't it, Shreya? Probability of an event equal to number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. Here our event is, our activity, our experiment is tossing 2 coins. Then its outcomes we have already written HH, TT, TH and HT. Okay, Shreya?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now our question is getting 2 heads. That is our event. Getting 2 heads. How many favorable outcomes are there favorable to getting 2 heads? How many are there in our outcomes? Total outcomes are this. This is the total outcomes. When we are tossing 2 coins, the outcomes are HH, TT, TH and HT. In that, our question is, what is the probability of getting 2 heads? So, how many 2 heads are there? In the total outcomes, how many 2 heads are there, Shreya?
Ma'am, 4.
I'm one.
Shreya, while wait, I'll explain one thing. Shreya, we are tossing 2 coins together. The chances are HH or TT or HT or TH. Is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I could not hear before.
These are the chances. And my question is getting 2 heads. That also can happen. 2 heads can happen. So, how many 2 heads are there in the outcomes?
2.
No, we are doing it simultaneously. At the same time, we are doing. You think better, Shreya, suppose you toss 2 coins together. What will happen? You say. What can be happen if you toss 2 coins together? Will you get both head? There is a chance, isn't it? There's a chance, no? Both tail. For that also chance is there, isn't it? And one can be head, other can be tail. Or the coin in your left hand can be tail, other can be head. So these are the 4 chances. Is that clear to you? There are only 4 chances. Both can be head, both can be tail, or one is head, other one is tail, or other one is head, this is tail. These are the 4 chances while tossing a coin. Is that clear? And my question is, what is the probability if you toss a coin getting 2 heads? So how many times these 2 heads can happen from these 4?
Is it 1?
1, yes. Yes, there are 4 chances. There are 4 chances. So the favorable to 2 heads, only 1 chance. This, if HH will happen, we can say both are head. Otherwise, we can't say. Only once we can say both are heads. Isn't it? Is it clear, Shreya? Okay. So number of favorable outcomes is only 1. Only 1. Okay. Divided by total how many chances? Total how many outcomes are? Total while tossing 2 coins together.
4.
4. These are the 4 outcomes. Outcomes of tossing a coin. 4 outcomes while tossing 2 coins simultaneously. Total outcomes are 4. Is it clear, Shreya?
Yes, ma'am.
Total outcomes are 4. They are HH, TT, TH and HT. In that, favorable to our event, our required event is getting 2 head. For that, favorable item is only 1. That means HH. Is it clear? Gokul, all of you clear? Elsa, Misyad, Aisha, Parvati, is it clear all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Nasrin?
And we
Okay.
can do it with our hand if we are confused.
Yeah. Okay. So this is 1 by 4. Now one more question based on tossing 2 coins simultaneously. What is the probability? This you can easily say. Probability of getting getting 2 tails? Don't say the answer. I will ask all of you. Write the answer. Probability of getting 2 tails. Probability of getting 2 tails. Ashwin, what is the probability of getting 2 tails? Write the answer. Ashwin, unmute and say the answer. Ashwin, probability of getting 2 tails. Are you saying, Ashwin, or you can type your answer in the chat box? Probability of getting 2 tails. Ashwin, can you hear me? Unmute. Unmute, Ashwin. Not. What was I? It was muted, Ashwin. You unmute and say. Okay, no problem. I think he has some problem. Renan, what was the answer? Renan.
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
When we are tossing 2 coins simultaneously, what is the probability of getting 2 tails?
1 by 2.
Say. Correct,
1
I
by
think.
2.
No, it's not 1 by 2. Nagul, what's your answer?
I'm 1 by 4.
1 by 4. How many of you did correctly? Good. Okay. Who said the wrong answer? Okay, Afridi correct. Renan, listen here. Renan, getting
Okay.
2 tails. This is the only possibility. TT. Getting 2 tails. The only possibility is TT. Okay. By total, how many possibilities? Total possibilities, there are 4. HH, TT, TH, and HT. So there are 4. So favorable possibility is 1. Favorable possibility means getting 2 tails. Both are tails. That is, this is the only chance. TT divided by total. So this is 1 by 4. So one more question. Probability based on the same 2 coins. Probability of getting exactly 1 head. Write the question. Don't say the answer. All of you think and write. Probability of getting exactly 1 head. Exactly 1 head. Probability of getting exactly 1 head. All of you think and write. Probability of getting exactly 1 head. Wasim, can you hear me, Wasim?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You got answer?
1 by 2.
I think. Okay, I will give you 1 more minute. All of you think. Exactly 1 head. Afridi, think once again. It's not correct answer, Afridi. Think. 1 head. We tossed 2 coins together, getting 1 head. Noor, are you there? Noor.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you get the answer?
By 2. 1 by 2.
1 by 2. How many of you got 1 by 2 answer? Raise your hand, those who got 1/2 as answer. Here. Okay, I will explain. See, children, probability of getting exactly one head. I will write the possibilities. These are the possibilities when we toss two coins together. These are the possibilities, isn't it? Then question is probability of getting exactly one head. Here, how many heads are there in the first possible first case? How many heads? Two. So can we add to our question this?
No, ma'am.
We can't add. And here, how many heads are there?
No
Zero.
heads.
No heads. So can we add that to our question?
No.
No, we can't add. Here, how many heads are there?
One.
One. Only one head. Is it exactly one head? Only one head. More than one head is not there. Only one head, it is sure. One is head, other one is tail. So exactly one head. If it happens, if we throw two coins, if this case happened, we got exactly one head. Is it clear? If I throw two coins together, I got one head and other one is tail. So I can say I got exactly one head. And what about TH? How many heads are there? There also, if I got TH, I can say I got exactly one head. So probability of an event equal to number of outcomes or number of favorable outcomes. Favorable outcome divided by total number of outcomes. So here, how many outcomes are favorable to exactly one head? Parvati.
Two.
Two. Which are they?
HT.
HT and
TH.
TH. Gopika Shankar, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Surja, is it clear? Okay. So we can say favorable, better you write favorable outcomes are write the outcomes HT and TH. Okay, therefore probability of exactly one head equal to 2 divided by total. You know what is total? 4. So it is 1/2. I think our time is up, isn't it? Okay, children, we will do more problems based on these coins during next period. Last call your attendance. Adilakshmi absent, no? Adilakshmi absent. Aaron present. Afreen. Aitihya. Agash. Aisha present.
Present, ma'am.
Dio. Ihan.
Present, ma'am.
Emmanuel.
Present, ma'am.
Present. Gauri Priya.
Present, ma'am.
Gokul Krishna, Gopika Aram. Harshir. Jonal. Karthik.
Ma'am, I am present, ma'am.
Who?
Hiba.
Hiba present, okay. Now, Kishan.
Ma'am, is present.
Okay. Nihan.
ma'am.
Nihan.
Present, ma'am.
Niva.
Present, ma'am.
Parvati, Renan, Shahan, Sneha, Surja, Shreya. Okay, others are present. So absentees are Adilakshmi, Aaron, Afreen, Aitihya, Agash, Dio, Gobika Aram, Hashir, Jonal,
Ashir present.
who?
Ashir present.
Hashir present. Okay. Karthik, Muhammad Hishan are absent. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Children.